So Biostreams is all about childhood obesity, basically children that have problems with overweight and obesity. And obesity is now being recognized as a disease, which has a biological component, and it also has sort of a societal or social component. Like many other chronic diseases, it can be well managed. So in Biostreams, we first want to understand the biological component itself, and then we want to link the biological component with the behavior change, because most of, as I said, chronic diseases can be well managed with changes in lifestyle, diet, activity, less sedentary behavior. But the problem is, this is a very hard fix. It's the healthiest fix. Basically, it's the healthiest in terms of we don't know really what impact the drugs or the pharmacological solutions have. And of course, bariatric surgery is not really for the children. It's not recommended. For instance, like you have to change really a diet or adjust to the disease as a person when you might have diabetes. However, here the family needs to change, because environment obviously will not change. It would be great if also the environment would support you, which is a lot harder, but at least family needs to change their lifestyle. And this is what we want to do in Biostreams. What we propose is actually doable, will not take too much effort, and everybody will sort of, we say in the clinical setting, follow the interventions. And the final one is, of course, the aspect of the child, which is the most important one, so that the child will be happy, that the child won't have stigma, and that the child will be do what we recommend. So we have a biobank, which obviously covers sort of biological component, and we try to add to that biological component well-being data about socioeconomic status, all the environmental data from the environmental exposome that you can imagine. And then we have the digital tools which enable personalized recommendations so that they fit the child and the family. That's kind of the idea, connect biological with digital to have a long-term sustainable, personalized and effective non-pharmacological solution. Of course, it's not only for children with obesity, it's also for children without obesity. It can be used as a preventive measure. And that's the third part, maybe even the most important part of Biostreams, is community. How to change the community with sort of education, with sort of recommendations that also the community that maybe it's not at risk will follow.